AI Finance Daily, where artificial intelligence meets your money. Most people are getting this wrong. Today we fix that. The subject, AI in healthcare, where the ROI is real and where it's still vaporware. AI in healthcare is a mess. Industries are spending billions, but according to estimates from Accenture, the ROI for AI technology in healthcare has barely scratched the surface. The efficiency gains? Approximately $150 billion by 2026. Sounds incredible, right? But hang on. What if half of those deployments fall flat? Let's talk about what's actually happening here. A multitude of healthcare organizations are knee-deep in AI initiatives, but the reality is that roughly 80% of these projects never break even. Why? Because they neglect critical cost factors. If there's one thing we know, it's that many providers don't factor in the intricacies of implementation and change management. If you think you're just plugging in a shiny new AI tool and calling it a day, think again. You've got training costs, integration costs, potential vendor lock-ins. You'd better believe these add up. The scenario is reminiscent of the EHR rollout disasters. Systems like Epic and Cerner took years to implement, and some places still can't get their operations on the same page. Estimates show organizations haven't had a proper handle on these hidden costs, leading to devastating budget overruns. Now, let's pull back the curtain on where the real ROI is hiding. Take a look at operational efficiency. AI-driven triage systems, like those deployed by companies such as ADOC, they've been shown to help radiologists deliver faster diagnoses, with studies suggesting a 40% reduction in report turnaround times. That's the sweet nectar of true ROI. But don't just throw money at the wall and see what sticks. We're seeing successful AI applications in predictive analytics at hospitals like Mount Sinai. They're using AI to forecast patient admission rates. Guess what? They've cut down on staffing overtime costs by approximately 30%. Your bottom line gains or loses $100 million based on how well you can manage your resources. In contrast, let's address the vaporware. Have you heard about AI-powered chatbots handling patient queries? Sounds great, right? Well, as of last year, surveys indicated that 74% of patients prefer interacting with human beings for medical issues. That's a colossal disconnect. You can't slap a chatbot on a problem and think you've solved a communication gap. What's next? Hospitals scrambling to capture healthcare data? They're spending cash on AI tools that they don't fully understand. The number nobody is talking about. Approximately 50% of health tech companies indicated their AI solutions were still in the proof of concept stage. CEOs from these startups must feel fantastic touting their technologies while embracing a reality devoid of significant traction. So let's get personal. If you're making budget decisions, you need to think about the long term, not next quarter's numbers. The stakes are high. You make a mistake here, and it could tarnish your reputation and affect patient care. You've got to ask, does this system align with our operational goals? Can we measure success clearly? You might be thinking, okay, so what separates the 20% that work from the 80% that don't? It's simple. First, align AI initiatives with existing workflows to ensure buy-in from staff. Secondly, invest in the change management aspect. Train your people thoroughly. Lastly, don't fall victim to vendor lock-in. Always ensure you maintain operational flexibility. In conclusion, we're at a critical juncture. AI in healthcare can be a transformative force, but the journey to success is littered with pitfalls and missed opportunities. If you're going to invest, get it right. Look closely at the numbers and remember that success in AI isn't just about algorithms. It's about people and processes. The figures discussed here are drawn from publicly available data. Always verify before making any financial decision. This is educational content, not financial advice. That wraps up AI Finance Daily. One small ask. If this was useful, hit follow. It costs you nothing, and it means we can keep making this. See you next time.